Hello, what's up guys? So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how to change thermal paste of laptop processor.
One of the main reasons for changing the thermal paste is that my laptop temperature has been getting very high because of the overheating. I am experiencing a significant lag issue and the laptop is not able to perform properly.
So there was a temperature in 46 or 52, and I will do some work like Microsoft Office and other works, normally web surfing and other works, normal works, just official works, not playing any game. So temperature increasingly, there 57. This is not a normal temperature 57 or 51, 52. This is normal temperature. The working temperature is 45 and 40 to 45. So in this video I will show you how to open this laptop and change the thermal paste of main CPU or a processor. So the software is this is the software. So you can check your temperature SW info 64. So I will make another video for this software and you can proper check your CPU temperature. Okay, overall working is very poor. So let's start the video. So guys, first of all we remove the battery. Okay, and you can also remove this panel. Okay, one screw is there. Okay, so I have unscrew from there. So just in this model, just push there and your panel is okay unattached. Now there was a processor fan and there was a heat sink. So processor is just under the heat sink. So first of all we remove the fan and also remove proper heat sink. So guys, fan is just fixed inside this plastic panel, so you get to easily come out from there. Now there was a fan and lots of dust inside. देखिए धूल से अंदर. So guys, now we remove this panel. Okay, so there was a processor. Okay,
First of all, we clean the thermal paste of processor and from heatsink, and then we apply new thermal paste.
you can remove this processor from their socket. So this is old laptop, so the system is different. Okay, just unscrew this screw like that, and you can get the processor. Okay, so this was the processor of this laptop. So you can clean by the help of cotton or record. Now I will clean this processor. Okay, like that, proper cleaning. So guys, I will use MX4 thermal compound. So this thermal compound is very good, and I will also use this thermal compound in my desktop PC, and the result is very good. So I will buy from Amazon. So I will also give the link of this thermal paste in my description, so you can buy from there. So I will clean. Okay, I will clean this processor. You can see this, and
This is our CPU fan, and as you can see, there is a lot of dust accumulated inside the fan vents and heatsink fins. This is one of the main reason why proper airflow is not reaching the processor. As we result, the processor start overheating. We will clean all the dust using brush to restore proper airflow. And
so we tied the processor like that.
so guys, after this we will apply the thermal paste on the processor. Once the thermal paste has been applied, we will place the heatsink, or you can say the upper cooling assembly, back onto the processor and secure it properly.
हटा बंद कर दे. Now guys, I will on the now guys I will open the laptop, and you can see the results. The minimum temperature is 44 and 43 and up to 45 and 46. So the temperature is.
So guys, now the temperature was decreased. Now thanks for watching this video. So you like this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you later.